Nisha and I'm back with a new video. This video is gonna be a little bit lengthier than most of my other videos because I just want to make you people understand what are the hazards of using sulfate based shampoo and what are the good points of using sulfate free shampoo. Before we start talking about what exactly is sulfate free shampoo, we need to understand what is sulfate based shampoo. Just go pause this video and grab a shampoo, whatever you use, and just check out the ingredient list. I grabbed a shampoo. This is a professional shampoo. This is a L'Oreal Professional Absolute Repair Libidium shampoo which I use like hell. I have been like a big fan of L'Oreal Professional shampoo. This is also a sulfate based shampoo. How to make sure that your shampoo is sulfate based or not? There are mainly two commonly used composition, that is ASL and SLS. So ASL means ammonium lauryl sulfate and SLS means sodium lauryl sulfate. I'm looking into a paper. I just wrote down those composition names so that I can tell you properly, so that you can check out your shampoo ingredient list and make sure that your shampoo exactly is a sulfate free or not. Whatever drugstore shampoo you are using or whatever professional shampoo you are using, all of them contain sulfate. They are very good in doing their job, that is cleaning. They just clean your hair and scalp very nicely. But whatever the composition that is present in your drugstore shampoo or your shampoo professional or any shampoo, those are pretty strong. They just clean all the moisture and all the natural oil that is present in your hair or in your scalp, because of which your scalp tends to dry out and later on you get dandruff, then hair loss and all the hair issues you can think of. So if you have like very dry hair or you have wavy and curly hair tends to need more moisture than a straight hair needs. So if you have already a dry hair, then this is gonna make your hair or your scalp more drier with the regular use of time. So because of the negative effect of this composition, you need to stop using a sulfate based shampoo. So you can save your hair by using a sulfate free shampoo. There are two negative points about sulfate free shampoo. The first one, it does not produce more bubbles or lather like other sulfate based shampoo. So we end up thinking that it is not a good shampoo and it is not cleaning my hair properly. They have mild bubble producing composition, so they are meant to clean your scalp rather than giving you lather or bubbles. So this is a misconception that if you have more bubbles then it is a good shampoo. So don't fall for that type of misconception. Use the sulfate free shampoo for a longer time and you will feel like your hair is far more better than what it was previously. And the second negative point about sulfate free shampoo is, in the beginning you will feel like your hair is looking dull and dry out, but eventually on using it regularly you will find your hair is like magic. So don't fall for like your hair is looking dry, the shampoo is not doing a good cleanup work. So don't fall for these two misconceptions and use it for longer time, and then you would be in love with your hair like I am. I have been using sulfate free shampoo for 8 months now and my hair is in damn good condition. I've been using a Biotic sulfate free shampoo. This shampoo does not claim to be a sulfate free shampoo, but in the ingredient list it is not mentioned like it is a sulfate containing shampoo or something like that. I am in love with this shampoo. And there's one more shampoo which I bought recently, that is Organics Brazilian Keratin Therapy shampoo. This is how it looks. I have already mentioned this shampoo in my haul video. I bought this shampoo from Amazon. Sulfate free shampoo tends to be a little bit costly, but they go for a long time. I will be linking down all the names of sulfate free shampoo that you can find in drugstore and online in the description box. So don't forget to check out the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe me, just click here, and you can follow me in Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. I will be back with a new video. Till then, bye.